हेलो एंड अ सुपर डुपर वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू टू द प्लेस जहां आपको मिलती है मिडिल ईस्ट में होने वाली हर इम्पॉर्टेंट इवेंट की खबर फ्रॉम योर होस्ट प्रिया। तो आज के जी कनेक्ट सीजन 6 के एपिसोड में भी हैं बहुत सारी एक्साइटिंग अपडेट्स एंड आज जिस प्लेस में हम शूट कर रहे हैं वो भी काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है। वी आर एट द एल्स क्लब दुबई। तो शुरू करते हैं आज का एपिसोड विद आवर क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे व्हिच इज अबाउट द लेजेंडरी क्रिकेटर सचिन तेंदुलकर। सचिन तेंदुलकर के बारे में क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे, इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? वेल यू आर राइट, आज के एपिसोड में सचिन तेंदुलकर के बारे में है एक इम्पॉर्टेंट न्यूज़, लेकिन उसके लिए आपको करना पड़ेगा थोड़ा सा इंतज़ार। फिलहाल इन आवर क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे यू हैव टू टेल मी कि सचिन तेंदुलकर ने इंडिया के साथ अपना फर्स्ट टेस्ट डेब्यू कौन से साल में किया? This should be fairly easy, so keep your answers ready and then चलिए मेरे साथ to see our first story of the day. So our first update today is something big. तो आप जानते ही होंगे कि Big FM UAE में लॉन्च हो चुका है और पिछले कुछ हफ्तों में मैंने आपको मिलवाया था MJ अर्पित और MJ उज्जवल से। तो आज जिस MJ से मैं आपको मिलाने जा रही हूँ वो मॉर्निंग का शो करती हैं Big FM पर, which is called the Big Morning Show with celebrity MJ बेनी दयाल। लेकिन आज हम उनसे मिलके जानने वाले हैं कि रेडियो के करियर के अलावा उन्हें और क्या क्या पसंद है। चेक इट आउट एंड यू विल बी इन फॉर अ सरप्राइज। जब आप रेडियो जॉकी के बारे में सोचते हैं तो आपके दिमाग में आता होगा एक ऐसा इंसान जो आपको हर दिन अपनी म्यूज़िक और ऑफ कोर्स अपनी बातों से एंटरटेन करते हैं। पर क्या आपको ऐसा कोई रेडियो जॉकी मिला है आज तक जो अपनी मधुर आवाज़ से गा कर भी आपको एंटरटेन करता हो? Well, the radio personality that I am introducing you to today is MJ Lavanya from Big FM, who brightens up your mornings every single day with the big morning show that she does. And she also has a beautiful voice and sings. She's been singing for over 10 years now. So we're going to be talking to her today and find out what she's all about on air and off air. Thank you so much, Lavanya, for being with us on Z Connect.
Thank you, Priya. My pleasure to be here.
I'm sure everyone who listens to your show every day in the morning wants to know more about your life, all about who you are when you're not doing your show. So we're going to find out all about you today. आपके singing के career पे तो हम थोड़ी देर बाद आएंगे. So we'll start with your childhood. Tell me a little about where Lavanya has come from and how were you like when you were a child?
I was born in Chennai. I did my initial schooling in Chennai as well. And then I've been a Mumbai girl all the way. So towards the end of my schooling, from my 8th standard onwards, I was in Mumbai. And then my college and everything has been in Mumbai. So I've done my commerce with majors in advertising. Tried very badly to work in an advertising firm initially. But somehow it is just not my cup of tea. For creative people to sit and work in a place is very difficult. Much as ad jobs are not typically, like bookish, but still I couldn't sustain. So I let go of that, and then radio happened actually.
So how did radio actually happen?
Radio happened, it's a very interesting story. I was in HR college in Mumbai, and right behind that is Akashvani. So a friend of mine wanted to go for auditioning, and I just went along with her and was helping her with the scripts. So जो वहाँ पे duty officer थे उन्होंने कहा कि why aren't you giving an audition? I said, well, I am not really keen on it. So he gets me a form. He says, just sign the form. I'll take care of the rest of the filling and you just do an audition. And I did an audition with absolutely no script also. But I've always been fond of music, so I would listen very keenly and I knew all the singers' names and a lot of things about songs. Yeah. So it came very naturally, and then it turns out that my friend didn't get selected and I did.
Oh my God! Wow. कुछ सोच कर नहीं गए, just
nothing.
Without a script, and you gave an audition, and that's it.
Yeah.
Acha, you've been doing the big morning show with celebrity MJ Benny Dayal. How is that whole experience? I've been hearing so many bites with you both singing so many songs because you're such a good singer yourself. But tell me that whole thing of doing the show with Benny every day. How's that?
It's great fun. I have known Benny earlier from before this. And we've kind of jammed in common friends' places and stuff, singing. Never knew I'd ever work with him, but it's great fun because Benny's a very fun guy, and he's very quirky. His sense of humor is very quirky, and since he's also an Abu Dhabi boy,
yes,
born and brought up here initially, and then he moved to India to sing. So he has a lot of local things to tell me about, and it's very interesting in that sense. And otherwise, music is a common point. We just blend in there.
Yeah.
So it's great fun.
But it's so nice to hear you singing with him. So I'd like to hear you sing a song that you actually sing with him usually.
दिल कभी गंदा कभी है नेक बंदा दिल का भरोसा कैसे कोई करे, दिल की यही खता है, दिल को नहीं पता है.
Amazing.
Thank you.
I'd
Thank you
love
so
to
much.
hear you singing the whole song.
Oh yes.
Honestly. So Lavanya, you sing so beautifully. Tell me, have you had any professional training in singing?
Yes, I actually originally wanted to. I mean, I started off with Carnatic training, being a South Indian, and I did that for about 7-8 years. Uske baad, when I came to Mumbai, I got introduced to the ghazal form of singing. Hariharan ji is my Ruhani guru, like I'd like to put it. Ustad Ghulam Musfaq Khan Sahab is my Ustad ji, and I've been learning with him right up until I came to Dubai. So that's one thing I miss about Mumbai.
So I've heard you sing Western vocals as well. Have you trained in that also?
Yes, I've actually been part of the Trinity College of London, and I've done their Western Classical also, and I've done their Pop Rock exam also. In fact, I actually stood Asia first when I took that exam, and I actually got 98 marks, which is not normal, because there are 3 performances. So unless in one of the performances you get 20 on 20, there's no chance that you can get a 98.
So
And
you
the examiner was Def Leppard's drummer. So he actually came out to meet my teacher to see who is this teacher who is training this girl.
Yeah.
So it was a really proud moment.
And a 20 on 20 means you've actually sung as good as the original song.
Well, yeah.
Wow. So can we make you sing? Which song did you sing?
Killing Me Softly. That was the song.
Wow. So can you sing that for us?
Yes, couple of lines for sure. Strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song.
Lovely.
Thank you so much.
Chalo, now I'm going to do a little rapid fire with you. I've done it with Arpit and Ujjwal also.
Okay.
So आपको तो छोड़ नहीं सकते हो. तो
बिल्कुल.
आपके साथ भी करेंगे.
लेकिन मैं प्राइजेस के बगैर आंसर नहीं दूंगी.
प्राइजेस के बगैर मैं उनको भी टालती गई हूँ. मैंने उनको कहा है कि जब तीनों का हो जाएगा, जिसका भी सबसे बेस्ट लगेगा ना उसके पास हैम्पर पहुंच जाएगा ऑफिस.
Okay, I'm waiting for mine
Go to your
already.
office and wait for your hamper.
Yes.
So I'm going to ask you a few questions and you have to be really quick about answering them and answer them in as short as possible. Starting with your childhood. Tell me your best childhood memory.
Best childhood memory has got to be spending weekends with my parents because both were working, and I'd love to just be with them on the weekends because हम बाहर जाते थे, खाना बाहर खाते थे. All this used to happen only on weekends for me.
3 things that annoy you the most.
People telling lies, that definitely annoys me. I would also say people being pretentious. You know, what you are, you'd rather just be. That's one more thing that really annoys me. And people trying to put other people down to show themselves as better. That's something else that annoys me.
Okay, cool. All right, since you're a singer and you've sung with so many singers, any music composer in the industry that you admire the most and you wish to sing for someday?
The man, A.R. Rahman. You would have known that, right?
Yeah. I was expecting that.
Yes.
Okay. So, does Lavanya have a temper?
We all do, yes. But mine is in terrible check. I mean, I'm always very aware that my kanta is going up.
What is the one thing that you carry with yourself every time you go out? Apart from your mobile phone, of course.
My credit card, my debit card, for sure. Because I'm this mad shopper. I love jewelry, as you can see.
Lavanya on air versus Lavanya off air in one word each.
Absolutely same.
Really?
Totally.
What is that?
Absolutely same. I'm exactly the same. I'm as chirpy, as laughing, and as lively in real life as I am on radio.
Last question, but a little tricky one. सबसे अच्छा कौन लगता है, MJ अर्पित या MJ उज्जवल?
मस्ती के लिए MJ अर्पित, लव एंड रोमांस के लिए MJ उज्जवल.
पता था मुझे. कोई एक फेवरेट चुनना हो तो?
Really can't say. I mean, I'm not being diplomatic here, but trust me, they really have, both of them have their quirky sides. So you really can't tell.
So it goes without saying that I'm going to make you sing in a song that you know, I can sing in as many languages as you want, but maybe something with Hindi and Tamil.
चंदा रे कभी तो ज़मीं पर आ बैठेंगे बातें करेंगे വെണ്ണിലവേ വിണ്ണை தாண்டி வருவாயா விளையாட जोड़ी தேவை तुझको आते इधर लाज आए अगर ओढ़ के आजा तो बादल घने तुझको आते इधर लाज आए अगर ओढ़ के आजा तो बादल घने.
Okay, that was beyond amazing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Lavanya, for joining us today. It was lovely talking to you. It was even more lovely to hear your songs.
My pleasure being here, Priya. Thank you so much for having me, and I loved singing here.
Thank you
Thanks.
so much. So this was MJ Lavanya from Big FM. तो आप जान ही चुके होंगे कि रेडियो के अलावा उन्हें सिंगिंग बहुत पसंद है and well she has a beautiful voice, doesn't she? So well, we have got lots more lined up for you on the show, but after a quick break, so stay tuned. Welcome back. Well, time for our next exciting update, and this is about an inter-college festival called the IMT Vaudeville 2017, जहाँ होते हैं हर साल बहुत सारे inter-college competitions. तो मैं आपको दिखाने जा रही हूँ इनका फैशन शो कंपटीशन, जहाँ बहुत सारी टीम्स ने compete किया on the lines of stage presence, choreography, costumes, themes and much more. Take a look.
Hi, I'm Jay Hayes, one of the professors here at IMT Dubai and chair of Student Life. And this is my executive, Nirmish.
Nirmish here, Student Life Executive at IMT, and we are here to announce our Vaudeville Festival. It's an inter-college festival. It goes on for 2 days, and year after year, every college student look forwards to this platform where they can showcase their talent.
We consider this our flagship event of the year. It happens every year. This is the 9th happening of Vaudeville. Every year it's got a different theme. And all the events and activities that are planned over our 2-day extravaganza are related to the theme.
So that was IMT Vaudeville 2017, and trust me, it was so amazing to look at all the wonderfully talented teams out there. Moving on, talent se yaad aaya कि it's time for me to give you the update about the god of cricket, Sachin Tendulkar. तो आप जानते ही होंगे कि Sachin Tendulkar has been the face of Aster Pharmacy, one of the most successful pharmacy chains in the UAE. तो वो recently शारजा आए थे Aster Pharmacy की latest outlet के inauguration पर, and I'm going to take you to show the highlights of the launch event. Check it out.
First of all, thank you so very much for this love and affection. I'm coming to Sharjah after a long time, but not much has changed. I'm so happy to see the same love and affection. You know, it's nice to see all that here right now this evening. Even though we are not on the cricket field, I can see number of cricket bats here being raised. So I want to take this opportunity to thank Aster DM for allowing me to be here, you know, making this arrangement. Thank you. My message to Aster DM would be to double it up, and hopefully, you know, I'm back here again to rub shoulders with you, and thank you personally for all the support that you've given me over the years and all the love and affection. Once again, a big thank you to all of you. I think it's time for a selfie, I guess.
सचिन तेंदुलकर की बात निकली है तो मुझसे आज रहा नहीं जा रहा, तो अपनी शो फ्लो में थोड़ा सा चेंज करके मैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे का आंसर अभी दे देती हूँ। तो मैंने आपसे पूछा था कि सचिन तेंदुलकर ने इंडिया के साथ अपना सबसे पहला टेस्ट मैच का डेब्यू कब किया था। Well, the answer is 1989, which also happens to be the year जब Aster Pharmacy ने अपना सबसे पहला आउटलेट शुरू किया। Isn't it interesting? Well, lots more interesting things coming up on the show, but after a छोटा वाला break. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Well, नया सीजन शुरू हो गया है और साथ ही all the brands, be it from the fashion industry or home furnishing, have started showcasing their latest collection. तो सबसे पहले मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ the latest Spring Summer 2017 collection by Indigo Living. Go check it out and see some of the season's top picks.
We're excited to see everybody here tonight at Indigo Living's Spring Summer 17 launch. We've got a fantastic event this evening, something that I think that's never been done before, where we're actually pairing furniture and food. We've had the executive chef here at the restaurant come up with an exclusive menu for us that pairs our look and feel of our spring-summer collections. We have 4 looks this evening that we're talking about: our beach class, our pretty in pink, our urban classic, as well as our Caribbean easy. I think the looks that we've come up with this season are fantastic for Dubai. They'll fit in whether it's a villa, whether it's an apartment. It's something that I think there's something here for everybody, whether you've got something with a feminine touch, something with a little bit more of a masculine look, or something that's more family. And we also have with our Caribbean Easy something that's a little cheeky and a little bit fun, a little more colorful for those with a little bit more sense of adventure. So tonight we're excited to have everybody here. We've had a few courses already and some interesting comments on the pairing of food and furniture. So thanks for being here, and we look forward to seeing you at Indigo. Our furniture is available in the store pretty much right away. So we'll see you soon.
Well, Indigo Living is giving you a number of options this season to choose from to decorate your house. Well, it's time now to see what the Spring-Summer 2017 collection at Juicy Couture has to offer us. Let's go find out. Thank you, Sachin, for being with us on Z Connect. And we've seen the Spring Summer 17 collection today, and we've seen the lovely fashion show that just happened. Tell us a bit about that collection to our viewers.
So basically the collection is inspired from the LA beach lifestyle. That's where originally Juicy is been originated from, and I think Juicy particularly was always known for its track, and there is a lot of nostalgia around tracks, but there is a lot of emphasis now which is coming on fashion, and you can see it in the collection here as well as the fashion show.
What is different about this collection?
So far the collection was always about tracks. Everything revolved around track, the logo tracks or the fashion tracks. The difference now that you see is you will see a lot of fashion come in, and a lot of maxi dresses coming, a lot of dresses coming in. There are new silhouettes, new cuts, new colors coming in, and as the season progresses there are more and more styles coming in, and over the seasons you will see some amazing collections coming in fashion.
Thank you, Sachin, for being with us. it's clear. To enjoy this season, you'll have to go shopping and you must go very quickly before all your favorite stuff is gone. मुझसे connected रहिए throughout the week on our Facebook page या हमारे Twitter handle पर, and I'm going to see you next week, same time, same place on your most favorite Z Connect Season 6.